the real estate, and I came across this word called wholesaling real estate.
Okay.
You make no money, no credit, no risk, make 5K in 30 days. I was like, bam, that hit home, man, because I knew I couldn't be a fix and flipper. I didn't have credit, I didn't have money. How do you fix a house? Nor do you want me fixing your house. Being a landlord, right? You rent the property out for $800,000 a month. Then after your mortgage and expenses, you make $100. How do you quit your job and get rich that way? I didn't understand real estate. So when I saw that wholesaling, no money, no credit, 5K, I was all in, man. So I got super curious and obsessive with like going online and finding everything about it. And I found this guy, Tyrone Taylor, in Alabama, Birmingham, Alabama. He had only guy at the time. Facebook was new, YouTube was new. And he was just like, he had 100 free videos on how to wholesale real estate. So, and that, keep in mind at that time, man, like when you wanted to learn something new, like right now, online marketing podcast, right? Like you have everything at your fingertips. There, if you wanted to learn how to do real estate investing, you got to pay 5K, 10K. You get a big box with CDs and cassettes and, notebooks and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, So this guy was kind of frowned upon. So I watched every freaking video, and I did the most craziest thing ever. And what 99% of people might not do, I applied it. I applied what I saw on the video, and in 45 days I had a $4,200 check in my pocket.
Damn, just like
that. Yeah, it was work. I mean, this isn't easy. Like online business